MOH has been in talks with Pfizer to prepare for the vaccination of children aged 5 to 11 years. We have said and reported that the whole process will likely take us to early next year before vaccination can start. The major development over the past week had been the authorization by the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for the emergency use of Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 5 to 11 years. Twitter is now full of pictures of children in the US receiving their COVID-19 vaccines. I was told Sesame Street made a video of one of their Muppets, Rosita, taking her vaccination as well. So they are promoting this in the US. The decision was made in the US after a clinical trial conducted by Pfizer for children in this age group. Each of them, as recommended by the drug manufacturer, received 1/3 of the full adult dosage. So children will still receive 2 doses, separated. Each dose is 1/3 that of the adult dosage. And that was done during the clinical trial in the US. And the study in the US concluded that vaccination for this group is safe and effective based on this reduced dosage of the adult formulation of the vaccine. Our expert committee on COVID-19 vaccination, the EC19B, has studied the data and agreed with the conclusions of the US review. They assess that in Singapore, it is overall beneficial for children to receive the vaccines, especially in the current setting of community transmission. The expert committee will soon, we expect maybe second half of this month, to make a recommendation on the use of the Pfizer-BioNTech Comirnaty vaccine for children aged 5 to 11 years in Singapore. At the same time, MOH is embarking on a study involving a few hundred children in this age group who will receive the recommended smaller dosage of adult formulation. This is partly to see the results for ourselves in a local context, but more importantly, to work out a smooth vaccination process for the children and their parents before we scale up.